In a small village near Kumasi, Ghana, where cocoa farms stretch under the sun and evening drums echo through the air, lived two brothers, Kwame and Kojo Mensah. They were sons of Kofi Mensah, a respected farmer. He was not rich, but he was known for his wisdom, kindness, and fairness in the community. When Kofi passed away after a short illness, the whole village gathered under the old neem tree to mourn him. After the burial rites ended, a difficult question remained. Who would inherit what he left behind? Their father's inheritance was simple: a cocoa farm, a small mud house with a tin roof, and 2 cows. Not much, but enough to survive in the village. Kwame, the elder brother, believed he deserved the larger share. He had a family to feed. Kojo, the younger brother, believed their father wanted everything to be shared equally. Small disagreements slowly turned into bitter arguments. Kwame called Kojo lazy. Kojo called Kwame greedy. Soon they stopped greeting each other. At the village square, they sat apart. Neighbors watched silently, shaking their heads. The cocoa farm was divided. Kwame took the fertile land. Kojo was left with poor soil. The house was split by a wooden wall. Each brother took 1 cow. But instead of peace, life became harder. Kwame fell sick during planting season. With no one to help him, his crops suffered. Kojo's cow fell into a ditch and died. He had no money to replace it. During heavy rains, part of the house collapsed. No one was maintaining it properly anymore. One evening, their old uncle, Nana Yao, called both brothers to sit with him. He said, "Your father never measured wealth by land or cows. He measured it by family. Look at you now, each holding a piece, yet both losing everything." Those words touched their hearts. They remembered their father's words. A single broomstick breaks easily, but a bundle is strong. The next day, the brothers removed the wooden wall from the house. They decided to work the cocoa farm together again. Neighbors returned to help them. Laughter slowly came back to the home. By the next season, the farm produced more than ever before. But the greatest harvest was not cocoa, it was peace. Until today, the village tells the story of the Mensah brothers, a story that teaches us all: unity is greater than wealth.